Hey guys, my name is Blake, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these triangle shelves. I'll also be giving you guys a free set of plans so you guys can make these for yourself at home. They'll be linked right below that like button, and also I'll show it later in the video, so stay tuned for that. Let's get started.
Nailed it! The first thing I started to do was to cut all the boards. I cut all the angles at 30 degrees, and here are the plans to what we're going to be making today. The plans show a material list in the bottom left hand corner so you know exactly what to get at the hardware store. I'm going to be using a 1" by 8" board, but the nice thing about these plans is you can use whatever size of board you want. You can even make the shelf taller and wider. The only thing that really matters is the 30-degree angle that you cut the board at. After everything's cut, you should have a nice little pile of wood that looks like this. I went ahead and sanded everything down to make sure everything's nice and smooth. The plans are pretty straightforward, just make sure you look at the angles of the wood so you know exactly where to put them. Then add a little bit of wood glue. I have a video on my channel going over this guy, so if you guys are interested, go check it out. This next part can be a little tricky, so if you want to, you can clamp the wood down to the table. If not, just take your time and I'm sure you'll nail it. In my nail gun, I'm using 1 3/8" nails, and that combined with the wood glue worked pretty well. If you wanted to use a longer nail, you can, but keep in mind the longer the nail is going to be, the more difficult it's going to be to hit these angles without shooting the nail through the other side. If one of your nails does go through the other side, one option is to clip it off with some pliers. But after doing this, you'll still see a little bit of the nail sticking out. So instead, I like to break mine off, and this works much better. This is what we have so far, and if you wanted to, you could leave it just like this. But for me, I'm going to add a couple more pieces just to give a little bit more character to it. And here's what it looks like with the middle shelf. Now we can start adding the side fins. My nails were sticking out just a little bit, so I just decided to sand them down. Now just nail and repeat for however many shelves you want to make. Most of our house is dark wood, so I decided to add a little bit of dark wood stain. After this, they look pretty good. Now it's just time to let them dry. After they dried overnight, I decided to add a little hole in the back so I had something to mount them on the wall with. Then I just put a sheetrock anchor in the wall and hung them up. And if your final product looks like this, then congratulations, you nailed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, consider nailing that like button down below. My name is Blake, and let me know down in the comment section what you want to see next. Talk to you guys later.